and welcome back to the channel. We are back with another K-pop reaction for you here today. And we're back with TXT.
Woo-hoo!
And it is Taehyun's turn in the spotlight this time as we return to the Star chapter together for his solo Bird of Night. Now, it is...
No, it's a bat, isn't it?
Bird of Night is a bat.
Or
an owl.
Or an owl.
Yeah, it could be owl. Just in case you didn't know what an owl sounded like. The album is in contention for my album of the year.
Yes.
Like, I absolutely adore it. I think I think it might be something close to a masterpiece. I think they've done justice to their story up to this point. The solos are great as well. So we should probably let Taehyun take the stage, and unless at any point you thought I should stop talking for your benefit.
Always.
Always.
It's always my benefit if you stop talking.
Okay. So I shall. Do you have anything you want to add before we proceed?
I'd like to bring attention to my wet dog look.
Yeah.
I just got out of the shower.
That is absolutely fine. I think variety in hair is...
Well, what I like is that over the next few videos, it's going to dry and it's going to go...
And so as we journey our day through Big Hit, we're going to...
get more voluminous.
Impuffify.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is Taehyun with Bird of Night, and we're along for the ride.
Let's go!
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 찌깍대는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 건 뭘까 yeah, 전부 흐려져가
So, super grainy, super dark visually. We're talking about nighttime. The bit about, is this what it is to be an adult? There's the whole journey through the album is about this sort of arrival at a conclusion.
Yeah.
Which I love seeing that sort of echoed here.
In the solos, yeah.
I wonder if we'll get to see him.
Yeah, they'll zoom out at some point.
Yeah. Voice immaculate.
Always.
Never not.
yeah, 전부 흐려져가 날개를 펴 like a bird of night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의 night flight 더 작은 점이 돼 but 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know we should let it go 불확실한 감정들의 이름 잠못 드는 저 바다의 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow 내려다보
Right. So, seeing the lyrics after just hearing the album like on Spotify for a while is good fun to sort of come back to them. First, he looks great. Here we found our shot. The song sort of defies concentration. Do you know what I mean? Like it's so designed to just lift you and carry you away. I'm like desperately trying to focus on what's happening.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh no, you're feeling very sleepy. Like I love it.
Yeah.
Like I love the like the way that his voice can carry you in that way.
Yeah, hypnotizing.
Yeah, absolutely.
언젠가는 glow 내려다본 도시 흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모를 이 echo
The piano does it too, I think.
속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향해 내게 주신 내게 닿길 기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird of night 숱한 고민의 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤 우리의 night flight 잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know we should let it go 같은 별을 바라보고 있을 어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도
love the director was like, so the lyrics are glow, glow, glow. What should we do visually at that point?
A glowing curtain.
Yeah, how about we have something glowing? Oh, it's good. It's good.
So short.
So, to everyone under the age of 30, these things on the floor here are video cassettes. Now, you can think of each of them as like individual YouTube videos. So they can be up to a few hours long at times, but each of them contains like a physical version of a YouTube video.
Weird.
And you put it into a special machine that then allows you to watch that video.
I wonder how many VCRs there are around.
I think probably still quite a few.
Yeah.
Like tucked away.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Like with the nans who still have videos.
Yeah. Yeah, like the number of VCRs, so the proportion of all VCRs connected to televisions has probably never been lower.
Yeah. I mean, it would be weird if it went down and then up at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
well, if all of the unused VCRs got destroyed, then that would.
Okay.
We don't need to work out the mechanics and mathematics of proportional VCR usage.
What was there before DVDs?
Yeah.
Which are also
obsolete at this point. Those are like round YouTube videos.
No, they know that.
But they can have lots of videos
because they know what they look like because they're in
Oh, they're like the CDs that you get in albums,
but with video,
with videos on them. Yeah. The days of physical media were a lot.
They're so dead.
Yeah.
I say that with a shelf full of CDs behind me.
Yeah, but you didn't get them for the CDs.
Yeah, for the CDs.
Taehyun's voice is
gorgeous.
It's so polished. Do you know what I mean? Like it's so like refined, maybe is what I mean. The thing that we was talking about during the middle about how he carries you away, I think the whole song's sort of designed to do that. It does this sort of, it threatens to like ascend or get bigger, and it never does that. It just like holds you in this like state.
Yeah, just a sleepy state.
Yeah,
it's unfortunate because I started in a sleepy state, and normally when we start, I get.
But it's this sort of blissful distraction, not like boredom sleeping.
No.
Like this sort of like ethereal ascension.
Yeah, exactly.
So there you go. What do you think? Let us know. We're going to be back soon enough with something else, but whatever you do between now and when we see you next.
Birthday.
See you the next one.
Love you. Bye.